Hi everybody, welcome or welcome back to Wild Domination. So मैंने सुबह एक poll डाला था that do you know the D method and I got very mixed responses. So come let's see that what is D method. This is used in your IELTS speaking mainly part number 1 but part number 3 के अंदर भी use हो जाता है. So it says D. D stands for direct answer, E stands for explanation. Part number 1 के लिए है तो for 1 to 2 lines. अगर part number 3 के लिए तो for 2 to 3 lines. And one example, of course. For example, the question is, do you like cooking? So the direct answer that is that you have to answer in a very clear cut yes or no. So yes, I actually enjoy it a lot. Explanation, now you have to explain it. This is a very good way through which you can add expression of ideas. So cooking helps me be creative and it's also a way for me to relax after a busy day. Busy day, hectic day. मैं अब इस reel में I'm not discussing the vocab part. I'm just discussing the structure that you can follow for part number 1, IELTS speaking. For example, last weekend I tried a new pasta recipe and my family loved it. ठीक है? Again, I'm mentioning it. मैंने वो कैप बहुत simple रखी so that you understand the format and the structure that you need to follow for IELTS speaking. Again, if you want to use this for part number 3, you can even use that. But part number 1 में तो बहुत अच्छा use हो जाता है, right? So again, for more such answers, please read the caption. And again, आपको ऐसे काफ़ी सारे answers, explanations, examples, vocabulary, everything you will get in our ebook. So please refer that. Link for same is available in bio. Thank you and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.